Hi guys, welcome to Mama and Me. And today we're going to be making chicken teriyaki with some sesame seeds on top and served with some broccoli, pickled ginger, avocado, and jasmine rice. So let's get started. Okay, and to make this yummy sauce, you're going to need some hoisin sauce, toasted sesame oil, sriracha chili, low sodium soy sauce, white rice vinegar,
some ginger, garlic, cornstarch, brown sugar, and some water. So we're gonna go ahead and add in
the water, vinegar, soy sauce, and we're gonna do about half. So we don't want it too salty. There we go. So the measurements will be on the description below. So some hoisin sauce. I'm just doing like 2 squeezes. Some of the sesame oil, brown sugar, and we're going to turn on the heat and let it come to a boil. We're going to mix it and let it come to a boil. So I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic now that it's about to coming to a simmer. And mix it around and wait till it comes to a mild boil.
We'll start adding in our cornstarch.
We're gonna whisk this really quick. So
now we're gonna let it come to a boil and it'll start to thicken, and we're gonna show you how that looks like.
So we let this simmer for about 10 minutes, and it should be a really nice syrupy kind of texture and consistency. So let's get on to the.
Okay, so now I have a pan here I put a little bit of oil, and it's hot now, and I have my chicken thighs, and I'm just gonna put them down here. Now that the white part is almost halfway up, I'm going to give it a turn. And you're going to see it's nice and brown, and I like it that way. You could do it according to your preference, but I like it like this, and I'm just going to cook it through, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we browned all of our chicken thighs, and we chopped them, half of them, and we're going to keep on chopping, and we're going to add it to our teriyaki sauce. Time for the moment of truth. So get some rice, if I can, some pickled ginger and avocado. I'm not going to be able to get everything. I'm going to get a little bit of my favorite stuff. Oops. So go ahead and try yours. So good. And so what inspired us is because here where we live in Nevada, there's no Waba grill. And to me, this is like second best, if not it replaces Waba Grill. It really satisfies that craving, and I really urge you guys to check out the link, or click on the link
in the description box,
and you'll see the recipe, and it's worth a try. It's easy, it's quick, and delicious.
It's just so good. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Cheers!